You just catch up on him. And he want to settle down because she forgot give me medication and mix tea, give my man in time. Whether out a thermos or nipple buckle, she I forgot to do something. Oh, sorry Usain Bolt, but and an element of surprise that because you have the little girl locked down for all long until you're 40. You see and go on man, all them say me hurt my heart.
Tonight, it's going to be great, we're going to have fun. That's the key thing about everything, just have a good time, vibes, enjoy yourself. I want to thank the Prime Minister for coming out. Never knew you were going to come, but thanks for coming. Babsy also, really appreciate it. Support, real Jamaican people, right? So I'm 40, not excited about it, but I'm there. And I'm happy. It's been a long journey. Something I want to say, it's been on me for a minute, and whoa, that was a yes. So, me and Casey's been together for umpteen affairs.
Oh God!
14, going 13, going on 14 years. She's been by my side. She gave me 3 wonderful kids. You understand? Rough times, tough times, happy times, wonderful times. She knows I love her very much. I'll do anything for her. And for years upon years, I've been promising and promising and promising. That I was gonna marry her. So, Miss Casey Johnny Bennett. I just want to tell you I love you so much, and I want to say make me the happiest man in the world, my man. So would you please marry me, please?
She not excited. What? She not excited for it. About time. You know what me say? You sleep and mark. This is my own opinion on the whole matter. From the time Usain Bolt and the girl the wedding should have bust long time. And when the hype done and everything smoke clear, Let me say this too now. I talk this from a program over and over. You see when a man reach up in an age and done with the life, at them time they him throw a ring round on the neck. At them time them throw a ring round on the neck. Me not ask you know, I almost use sleep and mark because this is no surprise. Me don't know people that depend me happy. Me can't happy. Me can't happy. Me don't love for happy fear, but as a young girl me can't happy fear my baby. Baby, me can't happy fear my baby. Me glad you but you and him not married, how you not leave him? You and him married. You and him live in a second hand marriage. You and him married long time, cause from the time him put you there so you understand what I say? The ring should have been up on your finger when all of the excitement, you do out your common law relationship already. One more, this is nothing. You could have just buy the ring and keep it quiet. Because the world do happy. The world not excited. This long overdue. You're a little girl and you waste 13 years of your life with him. And you just have go, ah! Girl bye. No disrespect, but girl bye. Yeah, after all the headache, arcade and excitement, yeah, me not call this settling down. Me not call this settling down at all. Me just call this content. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just try to keep it private, man. You see, sometimes in life things, when people wait too long because people keep asking him, I'm sure no say it's not the first thing. Yeah, the element of surprise of the day. Bad to bad, you know, sometimes I see some people engage, they say, Rakid, Aishana engaged to Billy Bap. Me don't know who name saying, but anyways, Aishana gonna find a man name, so yeah, you're excited again. Yeah, for sure, and this is what most men satisfy them ego and then throw them what left on you. And I always tell you now, I always sit on my program. I always sit on my program and tell you this. I say, never you run down a man for so long. If you deal with a man over 5 years and him not even whisper proposal in your ears, walk away. Cause all you gonna be is a baby mother, common law wife. Yeah, you know long my man they give with a rule and go about in business. Somebody say Usain Bolt tied a taboo. No, exactly. Yeah, me not think say I'm not the element of surprise to this and excitement no this so. Yeah, 5 year limit at 2 for sure. You can't do with a man so long. I wake up with him, I sleep with him, I wake up with him, I sleep with him, I take bullshit from him. And all of them something things where you not take from your picnic, you put them out. You da fling out your picnic and tell them say them have age. Me not see it at. Me not see it at. From the first kid, the ring should have go by your finger. It is like it did it, put the ring on it. Gone are the days when our granny and mama used to sit down and wait for a man for propose because marriage was honorable. Though marriage was honorable and plus thing the wedding dress them you couldn't buy them, you have to borrow them. You get what me I say? Gone are the days, my baby. Now things free up, you can do it over computer. Page British, what happened? I'm a 40 now, so I'm ready for settle down. So him decide to please for himself before him please she. Me not think you have to compromise in a relationship, and that's why I walk and dash out my body, you know, like flyers for the next function we're going to keep. That's why I walk and dash out my body 13 years. Well, Rosalie did the 12 and leave Jake for beating. Asking him, and me sure no says not the first in here, so no element of surprise no there. Yeah? Yeah? The consolation prize. But me no want a man come propose to me after 13 years. 13 years?
13 years and 3 kids.
And 3 kids. That means say they with that over 10 years. Yeah? Cause every kid's supposed to get a year, you know.
Age catch up on him, man.
No, me not. Yeah, age I catch up on him. And he want to settle down because she have to go give me medication and mix tea, give my man in time. Whether out a thermos or nipple buckle, she have to go do something. Yeah, she gotta do something. She just gotta do something. So I don't understand all of them excitement. Oh, sorry Usain Bolt, but another element of surprise that because you have the little girl locked down for how long until you are 40. Usain Guana man, all them something hurt my heart. And she a smile. And she alone hang on for man. A whole heap of Winnie Mandela what have you know. A whole heap of Winnie Mandela what have for sure. A lot of Winnie. Then you can imagine me one boy there and when him a 40 and me younger than him, I step down because I want the younger, stronger cocky. Me no want nothing where I look up and flaccidness. I want the younger, stronger old. Me no want them something. I can't talk about Usain Bolt and Cassie engagement because that's a foolishness to me. Then how long am I engage her for now? That's the next thing. I want them for next month them are married. Yeah? I wonder for next year them are married. Or next month. Next week. Eh? Yeah, then watch away me ears say back down a yard and look at him run out. Me ears say down a yard. Yeah. Me ears say anybody who have vehicle down a yard that them a feel it, you know. Anybody who have vehicle you can't drive with your hand on the window, you can't drive with one hand now. Me ears say the ticket them a go up high $10,000. If them catch all your phone case by your vehicle. Yeah, so me hear. And we tell Andrew for walk and borrow money, you know, because all of this we have to pay back all of the bills, you know. But that's good for the dirty labor right them we're voting Andrew. I wanna feel now because all the way I suffer PNP, JLP, Barbara Glodden, you know, me just say NDM, you know, Rasta Party. You can't eat and drive. Even gum, not even bubble gum. But plan to talk to some police with some batty breath. Then me can't chew my winter fresh, you know, say I eat clean my teeth. Yeah, oh, you mean you can't eat bubble gum? Might as well be a passenger. Me sell my vehicle. Me sell my vehicle and be a passenger. No, for sure. Might as well be a passenger. I say any police stop me, man. A batty breath to nugget, so I go walk and talk to Shebby more. Think after me can't suck not even camphor ball. Eh? Me can't suck not even camphor ball. Me not play. No, man, we need a change of government right now. I win an election. Eh? I own the labor right, jump up in the green and thief the ballot box, you know. I only labor right jump up into the green and me say me think me that proud to be anything at all. No, I'm not. Yeah, take public transportation since 3 years from now. So long Andrew do it bad. Andrew me not tell no like what you mean we can't eat bubble gum? How are you and the commissioner sit down and talk about? What you mean we can't eat bubble gum? Eh? You can't eat bubble gum. I pay thinking people are got about man. Why Annie really play a number upon the Prime Minister? Annie you play a number upon the Prime Minister. Are you alone we know have thinking mouth in Annie? And you play a number upon the Prime Minister every time Annie talk more and flush the toilet. Cause her mouth favor a bowl. Are you alone? Me not in the life, me can't do this. Me and sell my vehicle. Any taxi man down there buy vehicle? Yeah. Any taxi man down there buy vehicle? No. Me not outrun them because police vehicle fast. And I pay a criminal in the force so them know every cribbits and corner. Me can't outrun them. Me get where the dog get. Then you can imagine, when can the police them stop me, I forgot to turn back way and talk to them. I pay Batty Brett to go talk at Jamaica, and the people them out not too clean at Jamaica, you know. Exactly. People them out not too clean at Jamaica, then you can imagine. I see why Cuba choose so much bubble gum from the other day, like she work for app in her jawbone. Eh? At this way I forgot to talk with you. When you tell me say I can't chew this, I forgot suck it, orbit. At orbit, I forgot start suck now. Then all my teeth them I will get exercise. Eh? Then I do hear from Shay. I say people the whole time last night I'm nervous. Me have to enjoy myself because me know say guess what? Shay so call my name. Then Shay still argue with Kitty. No man. Me no want a friend from them people up on the app, you know. Me no want no friend from them people up on the app. Shay still call my name Nessa Purple. I wonder if she put me on the list. Somebody can go over she and ask her if she put me on the list. Me give up. So who else we got chat? Call the name them now. I will run in upon them. Tamara, good girl. Tamara get cute boss headache. We not talk about Tamara. Remember we not go slung over your and chat Tamara because you look like a hypocrite. You look like a hypocrite. You look like you come from over cute boss side. We not chat Tamara because Tamara have edges. Cute boss not got none. Yeah. We can't chat Rosalie as long as the toilet eat and shit and the whole and listen to the shit them a drop in the toilet. Eh? The whole and listen to the shit them a drop in the toilet. Ja prayer for go. So when you licky. Uno want chat OB, uno mean say OB slung pan live a finger himself with other people. So what to that if the man a push up him finger in him, but he not understand. Zoe never there suck good. And none never want to talk about Zoe there suck with a drink come and a swallow things. Ain't none of no one chat that in the world and say Zoe is a child. Then OB and a man. Eh? Una selective in a chatting a people here. We want chat Zoe as a little girl that take big cocky in a big hole. Like that we want chat. You don't want chat that? Eh? You don't want chat that? Nobody don't want to talk that. Everybody talk about is a little girl and is a little girl. But when you hear something about one man now, a sweet argument, you know nurse? They want to jump up and chat the man. Remember me and you never see video with OB finger and battery. I ear with ear. I ear with ear. Look how cute bastard like for me say me have AIDS. And then she walk and not kill it the whole of Kingston. Kind of you say AIDS step on the rampant in a Kingston. What's still out? Zoe Crutches can't steal out because it's a girl and no plan for cancel Junior. Because Junior says Zoe Crutches fat. Eh? On the plan for cancel Junior. Because Junior said 3 times him watch it. I pick for jump up and chat about OB this and I hear me ear. I hear when you come here so come and tell me. I hear so you come and tell me.